They said it couldn't be done. They said, Devin, you can't fit high-end gaming into a 2-fan card. They said that's like trying to fit a keg's worth of beer into a single shot glass. They also said, please stop talking about graphics cards, sir. This is a Wendy's. Today we are unboxing the MSI RTX 5070 Ventus 2X. The Ventus sounds like a spell from Harry Potter that might summon the breeze.
Actually, Ventus is Latin for wind, so you are kinda close with that.
Nobody asked you, Pub Devin. Go back to moderating Twitch chat.
There's nobody in the chat, Devin. It's just you and me and that crypto bot.
So anyways, the RTX 5070 Ventus 2X OC edition. Now, that is a lot of letters. The OC stands for overclocked, not the adorable corgi that you might be thinking of. But in this case, it means speed, specifically a boost clock of 2,542 megahertz.
If you knew math, it's 2.5 gigahertz.
Shut up, Pub Devin, I know math! Nerd. All right, let's crack this thing open. So if it looks like I'm struggling a bit, it actually is there to build suspense. That is content creation 101, if you didn't know. First out of the box is the included 12-volt power adapter. If your power supply doesn't come with one of these already, which is always a nice touch. Now look at this. It's absolutely adorable, right? It is 236 millimeters long, which is a little bit longer than an actual pint of beer, which is finally a measurement that my fellow Americans can actually understand. So let's talk about some of the specs of this card while I clumsily peel off this plastic. This bad boy is packing 12 gigabytes of GDDR7 memory. Now that's 2 GDDRs more than 5 and 1 more than 6. It's also running on a 192-bit bus, which also happens to be the name of the bus that I take home from the pub when I've had a little bit too much GDDR7. But I hear you asking through the screen, which keeps getting weirder and weirder. You should stop talking through the screen to me. But what about the CUDA cores? That's what we actually care about. The 5070 Ventus 2X has 6,144 CUDA cores, and not gonna lie, my whole channel is built around gaming PCs and talking about GPUs and CPUs, and I have no idea what CUDA cores are. I'm pretty sure that's good, but I don't really know. It has more CUDA cores than the 4070, which I had to look up to make sure, because I didn't know off the top of my head, but it does have more CUDA cores, so I assume that's a good thing. And let's take a look at the fans. The Ventus 2X, unlike the Ventus 3X, has only 2 fans. At least it has more fans than my YouTube channel does. This card does draw 250 watts of power, which is honestly pretty darn efficient. One of the things that has really improved over the last couple of generations of GPUs. So MSI recommends a minimum of a 650 watt power supply to power this card. Some would say that it even sips power. Let's talk about this backplate though. Solid, sturdy, reinforcing, it looks really good. Just like the emotional support that I get from my YouTube community and chat. Appreciate all of the comments. Special shout out to Raging Rebel X69X. You are the real MVP.
Raging Rebel X69X is a bot.
Yeah, well, I think you're a bot. Let's talk really quick about the output on this card. We've got a pretty standard 3 display ports, as well as 1 HDMI 2.1 port, because apparently a lot of people need up to 4 monitors, you know, probably 1 for your game, 1 for OBS, 1 for chat, and 1 to watch this video on repeat for a very long time. That actually really helps my retention metrics, so if you could do that, that would be fantastic. Use one of those monitors for that. So here's the big question. Is this graphics card for you? First, I would ask, do you like DLSS? Do you like ray tracing that makes puddles look better than they actually do in real life? Do you like having money left over to actually buy games, because this is not a super expensive graphics card when it comes to the rest of the competition, then yes, I think this card is for you. The Ventus 2X 5070 is a lower end price wise because it's not as flashy. There's no RGB on it. It's kind of like the Stout of the GPU world. It's dark, it's strong, and it sits in your case doing its job while you yell at tweens on Fortnite. If you are interested in building a PC with a 5070, I did do a full video you can check out right here on the CPUs that I would pair with a graphics card like this, if you would care to watch something like that next. It might not be quite as funny as this video, but it is probably a lot more informative. So either way, I'll see you over there. Cheers.
I love you. Cheers.
Jeez, not you.